Hello students, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes. Today I am going to explain assignment solutions CBSE revision topic linear equations. Now this assignment contains 4 sums. Let me explain one by now. See. See, the first question is solve the following 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. See, this is the linear equation in one variable. In this equation, variable is y. Equation is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So, to find the value of the variable, we need to follow the transformations rules. What are the transformations rules? Let us recall just in a minute. If any number is adding left side of the is equal to symbol, after transforming to the right side, it should be subtract. Any number subtract into the left side of the is equal to symbol, it will be after transforming to the right side of the is equal to symbol, it will be add, and multiplied by number will be transformed into that another side will divide, and dividing number will be transformed into that another side will multiply. So if you follow, after following these 4 rules, we can solve any linear equation in one variable. Now in this equation 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. First we will be transform minus 8 into that another side. This minus 8 into the another side, after transforming this one, will get the plus 8. So this equation will become 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Okay, 14y plus 13 plus 8. Now 14y is equal to, we know 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Now observe here, 14 is multiplied with y. Here 14 is multiplied with y. This 14 will be transformed into the right side, will be divided. So we'll get y is equal to 21 by 14. So let us simplify. 7 2s, 7 3s is equal to 3 by 2. So y is equal to 3 by 2 is our solution. Okay, this is the first sum solution, children. Now coming to the second question is solve the following x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Again this is also linear equation in one variable. See, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 13. Now observe here, plus 1 will be transformed into the right side, will get minus 1. So x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. So 7 by 15 minus 1, let us simplify this one. X by 3 is equal to, so LCM is a 15. Then 7 minus, here denominator will get the 1. So 15 by 1 is equal to 15. 15 into 1 is 15 into 15. So that implies x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 is minus 8 by 15. Okay, now this 3 will be transformed into the right side. This 3 is divided with x. After transform into the right side, it should be multiply. So we'll get x is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. Now let us simplify. 3 1s 3 5s. So that implies x is equal to minus 8 by 5 is our solution. Okay, this is the second one solution. Okay, let me explain third one. Now the third question is, see, the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth? Here the perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. So let us take one rectangle. This is the rectangle. In this rectangle, the longest side is a length, so we have two lengths. The shortest side is a breadth, we have two breadths. Now observe here, length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth, which means length is depends on the breadth. So let us assume that let breadth is equal to x. Breadth is equal to x. Now length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So length is equal to twice the breadth is 2x, again 2 meters more, so 2x plus 2. Already given the perimeter of the swimming pool is 154 meters. So perimeter is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to 154 meters. Now perimeter of the rectangle formula, you know, 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 154 meters. Already we know that breadth is x and length is 2x plus 2. So 2 into 2x plus 2 plus again bx is equal to 154 meters. Now 2 is multiplied with the 2x plus 2 plus x, then both sides divide with 2. When both sides divide with 2, 2 into 2x plus 2 plus x by 2 is equal to 154 by 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel. 2x plus x, 3x, 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 is equal to, here 154 by 2, 2 ones, 2 sevens 14, again 2 sevens 14 is equal to 77. Now this plus 2 will be transformed into the right side. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. Then 3x is equal to 77 minus 2 is equal to 75. Now 3 is multiplied with x. Then both sides divide with 3. Then we'll get 3x by 3 is equal to 75 by 3. So 3 3 cancel. 3 ones 3 25s. From this x is equal to 25. So actually what is x? The length of the breadth of the rectangular swimming pool is 25 meters. So here breadth is equal to 25 meters I got. Now what is the length? 2x plus 2. So length is equal to 2 into x value already we got 25 plus 2. So 225 is 50, 50 plus 2 is 52 meters. So breadth is 25 meters and length is 52 meters. This is the third sum solution. Now let me explain fourth one. Okay. Now the fourth sum, see, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Then what are their present ages? Here, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Here see, let Rahul present age is equal to 5x, and another person Harun present age is equal to 7x years. Okay, 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. 4 years later, the sum of their ages is equal to 56 years given. So present age of Rahul is 5x years. 4 years later means after 4 years. So after 4 years means 5x plus 4. So 5x plus 4 plus 4 years later Rahul age will be 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4 is equal to 56 years. Now 5x plus 7x is 12x. 4 plus 4 is 8 is equal to 56. Now that plus 8 will be transformed into the right side, will become a subtract. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8 is equal to 46. Is equal to 48. Now 12x is equal to 48. Now 12 is multiply with x. After transform into the right side will be divide. So 12x by 12 is equal to 48 by 12 also you can write. Now 12 cancel, 12 ones, 12 fours. So x is equal to 4 I got. Now we need to find the present ages of Rahul and Harun. So what is the Rahul present age? 5x. So present age of Rahul is equal to 5x. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years. Now Harun present age. Harun present age is equal to 7x. So 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. So this is the fourth sum solution, children. Thank you.